In this video, I'm going to go through a multi-step story problem using multiple operations and answering two different questions. Miss Shore's class is preparing to throw her a baby shower. They decided to bring packages of diapers. 22 students brought packages of diapers with 38 diapers in each. 4 students brought boxes of diapers with 220 diapers in each. How many more diapers do they need to reach their goal of 3,000 diapers? So the first thing here is that we should highlight our quantities. We want to outline what quantities we have here. So we have 22 students bringing packages of diapers with 38 diapers in each, okay? Then we have 4 students who got really big boxes of diapers that had 220 in each box. And the question is, how many more diapers do they need to reach their goal of bringing Mrs. Shore 3,000 diapers? Okay, so I outlined exactly how many diapers we have. So that first sentence there said we have 22 students who brought packages of diapers with 38 diapers in each. So I represented it here. We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 20, because there were 22 students and they each brought one box. So these represent each student bringing their 22 boxes of diapers. And in each of those boxes, there are 30 diapers. See how we have 38 written on side of each of these? So the question here, we want to know how many total diapers we have all together, all of these all together. How many total diapers we have, okay? So to do that, you could add up 38 plus 38 plus 38 plus 38 plus 38, all of them, or a much more efficient thing, which is to multiply 38 by however many 38s we have. So we have 38 written down 22 times. So we're going to multiply 38 by 22. $38 times 22. Okay. I'm going to do standard algorithm again in this video, but I will do, and I actually have a couple already, and I'll do some more videos of using area model. So you can use area model if you'd like. I'm going to use standard algorithm for this one. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is 8 times 2, which is 16. And then 2 times 3, so we did 8 times 2. Now we're going to do 2 times 3, which is 6 plus 1 is 7. Since I just used that one, I'm going to cross it off so I don't forget and accidentally use it again, because it happens sometimes. Then you get the wrong answer just because you accidentally use that twice. Okay, then you're going to multiply 2 by 8. Again, so 2 times 8, which is also, again, 16. And then you're going to have a 1 again. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 again is 7. Okay. I'm going to show you just really quickly with some colors here what we did. We multiplied 2 by 8, and we got the 6 and this 1. And then we multiplied 2 times 3, and we got, and then we added that 1 that we used. We got 7. And then we multiplied 2 by 8 again, and we also got 16 again with a new 1 up here. And then we multiplied 2 by 3. We got 6 plus that 7. Okay. Now we're going to add these numbers up. 6 plus nothing is 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And 7 plus 1 is 8. So that means that we have 850 236 diapers all together right here. Okay, so even up here, right here, 22 of the students brought packages of diapers with 30 in each. So this yellow part here, I'm even going to write in yellow, we have 836 from those students, okay? All right, so now the next part of the story says that 4 of the students brought boxes of diapers with 220 diapers in each. So that means student 1, student 2, student 3, and student 4 each brought a box of diapers that had 220 diapers in each. So now we need to find out all together how many diapers these guys brought, okay? So we're going to do 220 times 4 because we have 220 here 4 times. Okay? So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So 880. So that means all together, these guys brought 880 diapers. We can record that right here, 880, okay? So how many more diapers do they need to reach their goal of 3,000 diapers? Well, we had one group bring 836 diapers, one group bring 880. So we're going to need to find out. They were trying to bring 3,000 altogether. They were trying to be really nice to Mrs. Shore and bring her lots of diapers for her new baby. So they wanted to bring 3,000. And this is how many they actually were able to bring. And then we want to see how much they reached, how much they were able to collect, and if it was close to 3,000, and if not, how many more they still would need to get. Okay, so we're going to do a new slide here. And we are going to add these numbers up and see how close we are to 3,000. So we have 880 plus 836. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So they were able to bring 1,716 diapers. So those added together is 1,000. $1,716 total diapers. Okay, and we were trying to get 3,000. So how many more would we need to get 3,000? We would take 3,000 and subtract this number here, and that will tell us how many more we need to reach 3,000. Okay, so we were hoping for 3,000. We were able to get 1,716. Oh, and actually a good tip for you guys is to always write, whenever you're subtracting big numbers, always write it kind of farther down on your page so you have lots of room above for any numbers that you're borrowing and carrying, because otherwise you kind of squish the numbers in up top and it gets really messy, and that's where small little computational goofs can happen, okay? So let me just erase this for you so that we can have more space. Okay, so I'm going to do 3,000 minus 1,716, okay? So we can't subtract 6 from 0. So we're going to have to borrow all the way across here, okay? This will become a 2. This will become a 10. Now we can borrow from here. So we're going to make this a 9. And now this gets to become a 10. But we still need some here. So this is going to also become a 9, and that will become a 10, okay? Now there are a few other really good strategies that are much more efficient and effective if this feels like too confusing for you right now. And I should have another video already live with multiple subtraction strategies, because when you have zeros all across top, it can get really tricky. But if you are ready for this, then you don't have to worry about that. But if this feels a little too much right now, I do have some other subtraction strategies as well. So here we have 6 minus 10, which is 4. We have 1 minus 9, so we have 8. We have 7, 8, 9, so 2. And then 2 minus 1 is 1, okay? So this is how many more diapers we would need to collect for Mrs. Shore to reach our goal of 3,000. We would need to collect 1,284 diapers to reach our goal of 3,000. Okay? And there's our answer right there. And you should always highlight your answer for your teacher. Believe me, we really appreciate it because it's really helpful for us to see your answer nice and bold. And you should always write it in a complete sentence. If it's a story problem, it should have a story answer. Okay, that's courtesy of my co-worker, Miss Coyle. She always says that. Okay, so that's our answer for this first question here. Now, I'm going to go into another question, but if you want to take a quick break, because that was a long time that you were just sitting here following along, now's a good stopping point to take a quick break, and you can pause this video, and then when you come back, we'll go into the second question. All right, welcome back, guys. The second part of our question here is, Ms. Shore notices that on the boxes of diapers, there's a coupon for buy one, get one free, and that those students never asked for their second box. She goes to the store and asks for her free boxes. How many diapers does Mrs. Shore have over the class goal now of 3,000? Well, how many total diapers did she have again? Right here. Her students all brought her 1,716 total diapers. So basically, she goes there and she says, hey, I got 1,716 diapers, but all my kiddos who bought me these diapers should have each gotten another diaper. So what that means, if she's gonna get one for every other diaper she already has, we're doubling that number. So we're gonna take 1,116 and multiply it by 2, or we could just add them together, right? We get the same number. So I'm gonna multiply by 2 because I think you guys can handle it. 6 times 2 is 12. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 times 7, I got my little arrows for you so you know. 2 times 7 is 14. The 4 goes on here and the 1 goes up here. And 2 times 1 is 2, 3. Okay? So that means that now Mrs. Shore got to walk away with 3,432 diapers. And remember, our goal was to get 3,000 diapers. So now she has more than the goal. So let's go back to our question and find out what it's asking us for, okay? Our question says, how many more diapers does Miss Shore have over the class goal of 3,000? Well, she wanted 3,000 and she got 3,432. So we can subtract 3,432 from our 3,000, which a lot of you I know could just do in your head, but I'll do it for you real quick right here. Okay. So she has an extra 432 diapers above the goal that they had set for her. Diapers more than the goal of 3,000 diapers. Okay. All right, and we have a long story answer, for a long complete sentence for our story problem. We are highlighting our answer because that's always very helpful for all of us teachers. We really appreciate it when you highlight your answers for us. And that's it, guys. If you have any other questions, you should be able to leave me a note in the comments, and I'm happy to help you further. Thank you.